being pulled in, so it may change over for a quick little snow shower for the ride home. So basically what's going on is we had snow, we threw some ice and some rain on top of that and some freezing rain. That makes it even icier in terms of the roadways. But then we're going to end it with a little more snow. So it's going to be very sloppy out there. It clears by the time we get to tomorrow, and we should see dry skies for you Thursday and Friday, but it is going to be cold at the same time. Snow totals in the end, most of us around, I'd say 4 to 6 inches in the lighter pink shaded areas, but you do get significantly more up to the northwest because your temps will be below freezing throughout the entire stretch. And then we have to throw the ice in on top of that snow. So about a quarter to a half an inch of ice on top of the snow could cause not only problems on the roadways, but power lines and tree limbs coming down. Things of that sort could be a huge problem for us later on today. We already have some power outage problems out there right now, so things will probably get worse before they get better here. Going forward through the day, that wintry mix continues at its until we get to the evening commute. That's when your temps start coming back down. May end with a quick little snow shower for us, even in the city. And then it does dry out for you. Tomorrow you'll see sunny skies, but highs only at 28 degrees, 29 for you on Friday, and then 32 on Saturday. Another shot at snow. It's a small one right now. It does look smaller for you on Sunday. Okay, so lots going on. All right, let's get over to Inez Rosal. She's got a little question. What's going on? I know. March 20th, I think. I think we have 40.
All right, but I want to know the day, the time.
That's OD snoring. It's still snoring. That's OD.